me, and I'm gonna let them do my makeup. Aray ko nakasakit. Sakit.
And then, make sure this, it's all over her face, okay? It's almost ready. Sorry, I'm not trying to hurt you. That's a lot soppy from this one. I can't even see a thing.
You don't
Close your eyes.
I close my eyes, okay. My eyes is tearing. I got tears going out of my
Close
eyes.
your eyes, please.
How does it look now?
Oh my goodness, it's so scary.
Close your eyes.
I actually like my part.
Stop. You like your part, Sam? Stop.
My
Scratching your eye. I'm
is
gonna
too
put-
down. Mine's just too down.
I missed the parts the wrong. That is a pretty color.
I didn't know what color should I pick.
Well, hopefully the same one.
Yeah, it's the same one, baby. It's the same
Let's see,
one.
don't use different colors.
Close. Ooh, pretty.
I picked a different one.
No, I didn't.
No, it's the same color.
Oh, just heavier.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty.
It went in her eye. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Sorry for hurting you.
No, it's not. It's just a bit itchy. Okay.
That's really scary. Like when your brush is going towards my eye, it's so scary. Don't push too hard. Oh my god!
This is getting smudged. Oh my god, that's so scary.
I don't think I can finish this. It scares me. That's so scary.
Oh, that's a long eyeliner. That's a long eyeliner. I can feel it right here to my scar. Oh wow, my scar is up here. My eye is up. Wow.
I don't know what's going on. It doesn't actually look nice. Mine will be more worse. Stop, Samantha! Okay, close eyes. See, I told you it was gonna get worse.
Oh, let me do that.
Come on, it's time to dry some. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, nice. It's not on the eyelid.
I fixed it. It's not in the eyelid. It's up here. Fix it, Tyler. You fix it. You fix it. You have to push it down.
That's so scary. See, I don't think this. Okay, put it. No, before it. Okay, there we go. This time is pretty. Is it? Oh, thank you. I think hers is better than mine. Okay. Toilet. Okay, now put it on Mommy's chest. Let me hold it. Wait. Ooh. Is this Pikachu? Can I do it? It's too light. I need to put it more dark.
What color is the lips?
Purple. That's purple. I thought it was pink. Oh. Okay. This is not good. Totally not good. I can't see that one good. Can you taste the stick? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. nice, but wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Wow. So Sai, look at the long cut I look here that went to my scar. So here's my eyes and here's the scar. That went that far. And Samantha says she wants to look natural. Real. Ah,
Yeah,
look
but there's
real.
2 wings.
There's 2 wings.
Okay guys, here is the final look. Yes, believe it or not, this is the final look. Yes, I hope the girls had fun. You girls have fun?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. We'll do it again.
No, I don't want to do it again.
I want to do it again so I can bring much effort this time.
There you go. Yeah, we'll do it again some other time. Yes, and
But this time I'm gonna put it blue.
a blue.
Because that's my favorite color.
Yes. As always, don't forget to
Like this video.
comment down below,
And subscribe to this channel.
and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye. See you later in Mommy's channel. No, in Jocelyn's channel. Bye.
Bye. Wow, this is really poking me. Like